I am at, that says pharmacy. I am at, well, Walgreens. I am at Walgreens ready to go in the store. I'm hoping to get out of there in more than 2 hours. Sometimes it takes me forever, but I'm hoping to get out of there pretty quickly. I'm actually pretty excited. There is a lot of deals today, so I'm gonna go in and share with you guys a lot of deals, and then after this video, I also show you guys my haul. I come back in the car and I show you my haul, everything that I get, because I don't get everything that I show in the walkthrough because I don't want to. I don't need that stuff. Or I don't want to pay that much out of pocket. And then I also have a printable breakdown list for you guys in the video below, or in the information below. So it's three things all in one video for you guys to help you, because each person likes each individual thing. So why not help you all 3 ways? Thanks for watching, and let's go shopping. So here we have the Dial body wash, we have the hyperallergenic, and we also have the regular Dial. They're on sale for 2 for $7, but we do have a 2 off of 2 Dial body wash, so you'll pay $5 for either one. But then there is a $1.50 off rebate for the hypoallergenic, or there is a $1 rebate for the regular Dial. So you'll end up paying just the $5. If you buy both of these, you'll get $3 back, because it is a limit of 5. You get $3 back, making these just $2 or $1 a piece. We have the Rimmel lipstick. It's currently on sale for $2.99, but we do have a 4 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, or you can clip this to your card. You'll end up just paying $1.98 for 2 of these. There's other items that you can use. There's some eyebrow pencils that you can get for $2.99, 99 cents, and then the price just keeps going down. But this is a great deal if you guys have any coupons. We also have $2 off coupons for eye products, depending on what you want. So there's a good deal. So in the ad, there was an ad for the Oral-B and toothpaste. There's supposed to be a 5 off of 3. I did not get that, but I found a different scenario that we have. So we have the Oral-B and then the Crest toothpaste. The Oral-B or toothpaste is $3.99. You get a $6 registry reward when you buy 3, and then there's another one that is $3, and you get a $4 registry reward when you buy 2. I think you guys can do these together because they're 2 different deals. So what I ended up doing is I looked in my app, and I have a $2 off Oral-B. I've unclipped this 3 times. I gotta restart my app. But I want to use the $2 off digital coupon for the Oral-B, and then there is a $6 off of 4 digital coupon. So I plan on using the $6 off of 4 and the $2 off Oral-B coupon. So you'll end up paying just $9.97, but then you'll get the $4 off a 2 registry reward, plus you'll get the $6 off a 3 registry reward, making this a 3-cent moneymaker. You can mix and match with the toothpaste, but the toothpaste only has a $1 coupon, and the Oral-B has a $2 off coupon. So you either will get it for 97 cents if you use the toothpaste coupon, or a 3-cent moneymaker if you just go with all Oral-B. We have the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $2.99. You want to use 2 50-cent off coupons. Now please keep in mind now, there is a limit of 2 for these coupons. They changed the coupon limit. So you want to use 2 50-cent off coupons. You'll end up paying, I lost my spot, you'll end up paying $4.98, but then you'll get a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them, making it a 2-cent moneymaker, so absolutely free. So we have the Gillette creamy foam. These are $3.29. They're buy one get one 50% off. You end up paying $4.93, but then you get a $4 register that prints out, making these just 93 cents a piece. We also have this Gillette deal that is $3.59 at buy one get one 50% off. You want to buy 2 of them, you'll pay $5.38, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making them $1.38 for 2 of them. We currently have the Gillette deodorant on sale for $6. We do have a $2 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll end up paying just $10 for 2 of them. But then we also have a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, so you're going to do that times 2. And then you'll end up being $7. But then you get a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of them, making them $3 or just $1.50 a piece. So we have the all laundry detergent. We also have the Snuggle air softener. They are currently on sale for $2.99. We do have a $1 off digital coupon, making those just $1.99. So So we have the Tide Simply, the pods, and then we also have the liquid and we have the Downy. There is a coupon for the 50-cent coupon for the pods, and then there's also a digital coupon for the liquid, which it also pops up for the Downy. So you're gonna buy 4 of them. You can mix and match. You just gotta make sure you have 2 of the coupons that you can use. You'll end up paying, why do I always lose my spot? You'll end up paying $10.80, but then you get a $4 register reward when you buy 4 of them, making it $6.80 or $1.70 a piece. Here we have a Dawn deal. There's also a Cascade dishwasher, but these are on sale for $4.99. You want to buy 4 of them. As far as I know, there's no digital coupons for them, but you would pay $14.97 for 3 of them. You'll get a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them, making them $9.97 or just $3.32 a piece. We have the Renuzits on sale for 89 cents. We currently have a buy 4 get 2 free coupon. There is also one in your inserts if you got them, but you would pay $3.56 when you buy 6 of them. There's also a $2 off of 6 rebate with Ibotta, making them $1.56. I didn't figure out what the individual price, but they're $1.56 for 6 of them. We have the little bottles of palmolive on sale for 99 cents. We do have a 25-cent off digital coupon, making these just 74 cents a piece. We have the Kellogg's toothpaste on sale for $1.99. Now I do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon, otherwise there is a 2 off of 4, but we're going to use the $1 off of 2. You want to buy 2 boxes, use that coupon, you'll pay $2.98 or just have them for $1.49 a piece. We have this deal, you can clip it to your card, but the aluminum foil and then the small or Smile paper towels with the digital coupon, it is 99 cents. I have like tons of these. I don't know why there's so many of them, but they are 99 cents and it is a limit of 4 per coupon. Good morning, everybody. I'm back with the deals. I'm so excited. I actually had a new cashier. She's been there like every single morning that I go there, but she always looks at me weird, and like I always go straight to the manager in the photo department because every single time I go to the registers I always hold up the line. But my manager that I always deal with, she's on a 2-week vacation or something like that. So I went to the cashier. I says, hey, I'm gonna walk you through everything, you know, everything's fine. And so she was just like in awe of what everything came out to be. And then the lady behind me bought she bought like 2 toothbrushes, a couple of hair things, like, and it came to like 50 bucks. I'm like, man, it's like, oh my god, lady. And she didn't, no, did she have a reward? Yeah, she had the rewards, but I'm just like, oh my gosh, like she could have gotten that stuff so much for free, but she was in a hurry to get out the door. But seriously, anyways, I am here to share with you what I got. Ends up becoming a moneymaker. So I was gonna do this deal last week, but my store did not have the sale prices up, and I wasn't sure if this deal was a good deal or not. I really wanted to do this deal, but they finally put the tags up. So these were $6 on sale. You want to buy 2 of them. There is a gel one that has an $1 coupon for it, but that does not qualify for Ibotta, so this is kind of the better deal. So these are $6. I had a $2 off digital coupon. You'll end up paying $2 for the both of these, but you can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta and a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta. You'll also get I have a ton of register rewards, you guys, it's just beyond crazy. You will also get a $4 register reward, making these $3 or just $1.50 a piece if you guys need to stock up on deodorant. Now, okay, we got the palmolive dish soap. Now these were 99 cents on sale. There is a 25-cent digital coupon for this, making this just 74 cents if you guys need some palmolive dish soap. Now I did do this deal was correct. I was thinking like earlier this month you got points. This time you get a register reward. So you can do this deal as many times as you want. You just got to make sure you have separate transactions and you do not use the same register reward. So I ended up doing this deal. This was $3.29. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You'll end up paying, I always lose my spot every single time. You'll pay $4.93 for 2 of these, but you'll get a $4 register reward, making them just 93 cents. So if you guys want to go this way, you can go this way. If you prefer to get a little bit better, these were these were $3.59. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You would end up paying $5.38 for these, but then you get a $4 register reward, making these $1.38. If you want to do this deal, again, you have to do it in a separate transaction than the other one because they're both the same deal. So yes, I was completely right about the Renuzits. I sometimes get these coupons and sometimes I don't, but the Renuzits are on sale for 89 cents. There is a digital coupon, or you guys could have gotten the insert coupons. For buy 4, you get get 2 free. Your total should be $2.56. I don't know why they keep doing this and they can't fix their system. But you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 off of 6, making these $1.56. I didn't figure out the math of how much they are equally or individually, but I like stocking up on Renuzits. I ended up doing the Colgate toothpaste. Now again, if you guys did not know this, they limit this stuff to 2 now. It's crazy. It's crazy. But these are on sale for $2.99. You want to use 2 50-cent off coupons that we got from our inserts last weekend. You would pay $4.98, but then you'll get a $5 register reward, wherever it is. You'll get a $5 register reward using those, so making these free. So definitely go ahead and do that. I ended up doing the Dial Hyper and Allergenic. Now these are 2 for $7. There's currently a $2 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use. You would pay $5 for both of these, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta and a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, so you guys will get $3 back with Ibotta, making these just $1 a piece. So you get these to be $2. But if you don't have these in your store, you can do the regular ones and you'll just pay $1 more. So it'll be like $1.50 for the regular bottles than these. But I ended up getting the fragrant free. They always say fragrant free stuff's better for you. So got those. I got more Renuzits. So the Rimmel lipstick. These are $2.99 on sale. There is a 4 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making these just 99 cents a piece. So if you guys need to go ahead and get these, go for it. I actually like these. These are what I kind of use right before I do my video on CVS. I put some lip stuff on. So I got that. Now, here's the deal that I knew was going to happen. In the Walgreens ad, there's a thing that says you will be receiving a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I did not get that. But I still had a 6 off of 4 digital coupon. I had a $1 off for one of the toothbrushes, and I had a $1 off for one of the toothpaste. And then I also had a $2 off for one of the toothbrushes. So I actually unclipped the $1 off toothbrush Oral-B coupon. I did not want to use that. And sometimes, most of the time, it comes right back. It says it will be removed permanently, but I've noticed that it always comes back. Just giving you guys a heads up. So I ended up doing this deal all in one transaction, this deal, because they're 2 different advertised deals. So 3 of these are $3.99, okay? If you have the 5 off of 3, you would pay $6.97. You would get a $6 register reward, making these just 97 cents or 32 cents a piece, okay? If you do this deal is, these are $3 on sale. $3, you want to use 2 $1 off coupons. We do have some insert coupons from last week. You would pay $4, but then you get a $4 register reward, making those absolutely free. But I ended up doing this deal in one because I wanted to use that 6 off of 4 digital coupon. So again, I bought 2 of them at $3 and 3 of them at $3.99. I had that 6 off of 4 digital, and then I had the $2 off individual. I ended up doing this deal because I have so much toothpaste, it's beyond crazy. But you guys would pay $9.97 if you bought 5 of these, and you will still get a $6 and $4 register reward. These both printed in the same transaction, making these a 3-cent moneymaker. So you get these all for free. So that was a better deal originally. So it's kind of confusing, but I wanted to share with you guys with that. So yes, my total came to $39.73. Now please keep in mind, I do not pay that price in the store. I actually pay with register rewards, but when I tell you my total, I take the register rewards out of my total because those are considered I don't know, but basically I kind of do what I do with CVS. I use them, take them out. So anyways, those are not factored all the register rewards. I had a ton of register rewards. I had like four of them that were expiring today, because you can only use the register rewards of stuff that doesn't have a coupon to it. So I ended up using a lot of it for the Gillette because I didn't have a coupon for those. I ended up receiving, you guys, $27 of register rewards. The cashier, she's like, are you really? And I'm like, yeah. $27 worth of register rewards. It is register reward week. I'm just going to tell you that. Register reward week. I ended up receiving $10.40 back with points. I ended up having a thing where if I spent so much that I had clipped to my card, I think I got 5,000 points or something like that. And then I also got a Catalina, because I did have to split my transactions. I got a Catalina where if I spend 20, I'll get $5 worth of cash rewards. So I used that in my second transaction. So that's how I got $10.40 back. With Ibotta, I received $8 back, $3 for the Dial deal, $2 for the Renuzit deal, and then $3 for the Gillette deodorant deal. I wanted to get the Compeed deal again, but my store's been sold out for the last couple weeks, so couldn't do that. But if you add everything together, my total came to be a $5.67 moneymaker. I got everything for free and I made a profit, which I am pretty excited. A lot of these items you can scan for the PNG thing if you guys do that. I keep forgetting to do that. I need to do it, but I just keep forgetting to do it. But I am pretty excited with what I got. It is a great week for register rewards. You can also continue rolling them into different transactions. So you can buy one thing, use the register reward for that. You may or may not need a filler. Filler items are something that you know you don't have coupons for, but you could get register. Like I did, I used my register rewards and I used the Gillette shave as a filler item. That's what you guys can do. The Renuzits, technically you can use as a filler item because you're only using one coupon and you're buying 6 products, so that can technically be a filler item. So just giving you guys a heads up, there's a lot of ways around the filler item thing, but I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my Wednesdays videos. I started doing more individual breakdowns so you guys can visually see it, screenshot it, however you want to do it, and I will see you guys next Sunday. See you guys later. Bye-bye.